Welcome to Laurel Grove in Guyton, Georgia, in Effingham County. Award-winning school district and proximity to shopping, dining, I-16 and I-95. Laurel Grove is the perfect community for everyone. With larger lots, this subdivision consists of single-story ranches and two-story plans. The homes range from 1,600 square feet to 2,714 square feet, all with two-car garages. Special features include open floor plans, 9-foot ceilings, quartz countertops, and Hardieplank siding. This is the best value for Hardieplank Exteriors in the Savannah area for under $500,000. Residents will enjoy a planned amenity area complete with swimming pool, green spaces, and a dog park. Come visit us today to learn more about the beautiful Laurel Grove in Guyton, Georgia by D.R. Horton, America's Builder.